So one of the challenges that people have in life is that they don't know how to manage what they have. I will do a whole teaching on that later in the paid class. Management. You don't know how to manage what you have. That same rich, successful pastor now, a lot of people are trying to just even have his number. Here you are, you have his number, you have his account number, you are staying in his house. A lot of people are trying to reach him. Here you are, you don't know how to manage him. You are wasting what God has given to you. And meanwhile, I'm 100% sure you are praying every day. Rakabashaka, makatele, kete, kebo, kata. I will assure you now that I know that man may have a car or cars. And he may not even have somebody that's washing the car. Let's assume you are a big man, you are not a small boy like me. Like you are a man, like man. Maybe you have wife and children. You can organize somebody that will be washing the car and you will be paying. Let's assume that there are no cleaners in the company. It's an assumption. Or there are things you can do for this man. Many things. That's how to manage what you have. You're not going to sit down there and be going around doing your own thing. Oh, I went to work, you just came back. Hey, I've not seen you for 1 week and you're staying in my house. Like, are you joking? So I'm busy. You are busy doing what? Did your mind not tell you that this man that is successful, there's some things he's doing? I'm not saying both of you must be in the same line, but pay attention to the successful people you have in your life. Pay attention to them. What are they doing? How can you help? How can you come in? Let me tell you something, and I'll end with this. Nobody just becomes successful. I know you have heard that. That's not what I want to say. What I mean is, everybody that is successful now, it is somebody that is at the top that brought them in. Somebody will always bring you in, either by helping you with instructions, or by helping you with a secret, or by giving you something to do. Somebody must be the one to bring you in. And most of us, we are failing because we have the people that can take us to the next level. We don't know how to manage them. We are so stupid and foolish. In your mind, I'm working on myself. Working on yourself, how? When you have a successful person under your nose that you can go and meet and submit to doesn't mean that you should be foolish. Meaning that, I find that, what can I do for this person that can make me know how they are growing? What can I do? What are the things that this person will need me to do for them? What I'm saying is this. Let me say it in a nice way. I don't want to finish my energy on this one. There are people in your life. I want to say it to the most simplest way. There are people in your life, all of us that are listening now, that these people are more successful than you, but they are still the one washing their clothes by themselves. And you are seeing them, using your eye to see them that they are washing their clothes. And you are claiming, he's my boss, he's my leader, he's my G, he's my P, he's my A, he's my whatever. Oh, he's my choir master, he's my this one. These people, you are seeing them, they are still cooking by themselves, and you can cook, you know you can cook for them. You don't see that one as any important thing. Then the one day you will now come and submit CV to him, or you say, sir, please, can you help me? I need a job. Or you now come and say, sir, I want to pay you for one thing, I need 10,000. Why should he give you? Why? You are there, you are seeing this person is paying money to do something that you can do for them. You are waiting for them to come and tell you to help them. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. That's why most of us are not growing. And that's why you see somebody will come from somewhere. He will just start growing. Why? He will just come, start helping the person to do this one, help the person to do this one. It's not foolish. He have other things that he's doing. But you just, all of a sudden, the guy is growing. You'll be wondering. Before you know, even the successful person cannot do without that person. Why? The person has made himself relevant. But you are going to Z. The person is in A. What you are going to look for all over the country, all over the city, in the name of I'm looking for a job, I'm trying to make ends meet. That person that you are staying with, or you are around, or that you have contact with, can give it to you in his words, like by saying, go and meet that person.